بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
And one more difference I already explained here, like the Bpdu differences. Like I said, in the Rstp, the root bridge will send the Bpdus and the other switches will simply propagate. But whereas in Rstp, I said every switch will originate the Bpdu messages. So whether or not receives the Bpdu on its root port or not, it will send. And also the timer is different. The hello timer is 2 seconds, same, but the daytime is 6 seconds max. That is one more difference. And additionally, you will have something like the cost values will change. Now, one of the limitation with Rstp is Rstp, when it was introduced in 1998, again, they have defined the cost values up to 10 gig. Like if you're using 4 Mbps, the cost is 250, 10 Mbps, the cost is 100. So based on the Rstp calculation, they have defined these values. So these are like standard defined values. But now, most of the today's networks, like especially in the data centers or in the WAN connections, you generally connect 10 gig links, or even nowadays you use 100 gig links also. So if I'm using 40 gig link or if I'm using 100 gig link, so basically as the standards are not defined, so it will consider the cost value as 2 only. So which means the normal Rstp, one more drawback is it cannot identify the links above 10 gig. That is a maximum speed defined, maximum cost defined. So that makes, again, after 2, again, 1, 0, you cannot go in minus. So they have revised the cost values. So the cost values will change. Of course, it doesn't show in the packet tracer when you verify here, but normally it will show you the cost values. So if you're using a physical switch, then basically if you're using 100 Mbps link, it will show you the cost value as 200,000. Okay, so if I'm using 10 gig link, the cost value will be shown as 2,000. So these are the default revised cost values. So there will be a change in the cost values also.